This property is a completely restored two-bedroom townhouse situated in the heart of the characteristic historic center of Limosano. Limosano is a small town in Molise Region with all kinds of basic facilities like bars, cafes, restaurants, bakery, grocery store, doctors, etc. And is situated at just 25 minutes drive from Campobasso, the capital city of Molise Region. The property avails of 3 floors and measures approximately 76 square meters. The main entrance is situated on the ground floor, and we immediately find the living area with a dining table, a functioning stove, here you have a window, as you can see the house avails of central heating system. All utilities are connected: water, gas, electricity. And here you have a window with a beautiful view on the surrounding hills. As you can see, the windows are brand new. They are double glazed metal windows with a really thick glass. And now we go upstairs. And now we are upstairs. And here it is, the first bedroom. The house comes furnished, so all the furniture that you see are included. Here we have a small toilet, that serves this floor. And here you have a balcony, quite a nice size, with a beautiful view of the surrounding hills. Proceeding, we find the master bedroom. With a window overlooking the street. Now from the living area we go downstairs. Immediately on the left we find the kitchen. As you can see, it's all brand new. And this way there is the bathroom. The bathroom was restored 1 year ago, so it's all new. You have a shower, a place to plug your washing machine, a sink, and from the kitchen we have access to the and here we are in the basement. This is the cellar. Here on the right you have an authentic cave, rock cave. This type of rock is called tufa, and this is the perfect environment for storing food. This is the cellar. You have a sink. This is the water boiler. And here from the cellar we have access to the outside space. This piece of land right here doesn't technically belong to the property, but that because it belongs to the municipality, but the current owner have been using it for more than 30 years. They planted some trees, plants, a small vegetable garden. Property has been completely restored, as all utilities connected, central heating system, alarm system, new bathroom and new windows. It is sold furnished, is in perfect conditions and ready to live in, and it's on the market for €40,000.